Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be a video on such an interest, at least for me, it's such a interesting topic. I posted a poll, not a poll, but question on my Instagram, like what do you want to see on my next YouTube video. Like the votes were maximum for my what's in my bag. So today it's gonna be a video on what's there in my bag. So without further ado, let's dig into the video. Okay, so this is my bag. I got this bag from Amazon last month, I think so. So first things first, I have my charger. Generally, I have the phone where I'm shooting now. Next up, I have this pouch. It contains my foods, like I have a biscuit. This is oats and raisins biscuit, a health bar, two health bars, Brookside dark chocolate. I don't know why, but a coffee pouch is that it isn't supposed to be. Okay, so I carry the foods which contain less or no sugar because I'm on diet and I'm consuming less sugary products, as there would have been dairy milk for sure. Then I have my medicines. This is vitamin C medicines prescribed by my doctor. Like this is very good for skin, our immunity system. So I have to take one daily. Then I have my shades. This my lotion. Like I have a really dry skin. Like I have to get my skin moisturized every time in a while. So I carry this with me. Like I have started carrying this. Then I have an extra mask. Like I carry this in case I lose the mask which I am wearing currently, or if I have to give the mask to someone. So that's why I carry this extra mask. This is from Bodyguard anti-pollution face mask. Okay, then I have this. Like I don't know what's this. Okay, so these are my tea bags. This is chamomile tea. This is green tea. I am a great lover of green tea. I keep these loose pouches. So if I get some hot water in there, I can just do my tea bags and enjoy my tea. Again, a coffee packet. I really don't know why. And then I have this big pouch. Okay, so this is very essential. This is a toilet seat sanitizer spray from P-Safe. These are some soap papers. This is a surface disinfectant spray from, I think this is from Bare Body. Yes, this is from Bare Body. Then I have this blotting papers, the dental floss. Okay, so this is very important for me. Like if I want to make a bun, or if I want to press the points of my thumb if I get migraine, so I carry this. Like it's very important. Then I have the Kara refreshing wipes. Okay, so this one is my the most necessary product. This is a rose water. Like I always spray this. It's super refreshing. Okay, so then I have my hand cream from Aroma Magic. Okay, so this one is the nail polish which I wear. I carry this in case my nails get chipped off, the nail pins wear off. So I carry this. I don't know why I was opening that. A Band-Aid. Perfume. So this one is the Royal perfume from Miniso. This also has got a very refreshing smell. A card, sanitizer, don't know, I think I have 3 sanitizers in my bag. Okay, so this one is my lens box. It also contains a mirror, lens box, a solution bottle, tweezers, and also an applicator with which I can put in my lenses. Okay, so my eye drops. Since I wear lens, I get my eyes dry very quickly, so I put my eye drops. In case I feel my eyes dry, a pen. Okay, so there had been a notebook in my book previously, so I stopped carrying the book. I have started taking my notes in my phone because it's very hard to sanitize the notebook. Like I had to sanitize each and every page. Like it was such a difficult task for me, so I have stopped carrying that. If I have to take any notes, I take down them in my phone. So it's such a convenient way to take the notes in my phone. So I have stopped carrying the notebook. Then I have let me see. Okay, so I have my dry fruits here. Like I have almonds, berries, seeds with me. I am a lover of dry fruits. I love dry fruits. My speaker, this is a portable one, so that I can carry it in my bag. Okay, so I generally carry my money in the back pocket of my bag so that I don't lose the purse. I am very careless in carrying the other purse because I have lost one and I don't want to risk it again. So I have stopped carrying the purse also. I keep my money in the back pocket of my bag. So yeah. So there will be no purse in my bag. So okay, so this one is a makeup. This one is my makeup pouch, and it contains only the minimal products. Like I got it as a complimentary gift from Sugar. It has got a compact powder. I am not a compact person. I am telling you why I carry this. In case of extreme touch-up, or okay, I carry this because it has a very good mirror with it. Like I don't want to carry a mirror separately, so yeah, like this. Okay, then I generally carry a nude and a red shade. Like if I want another shade, I mix them too and wear it on my lips, because either there is a nude or a red shade. There is none nude. I think so. I don't know if I'm carrying. It is a lip primer from Sugar. This is my brow gel. Like this is super easy to for application. Like you will have to do like this and you are done. Like in case I forget to do my brows, I carry it. I don't know why I'm telling plural. So I carry it. Okay. Then coming to the lipsticks, yes, I have only 2. I think this is the this is the nude one, Tan Deep Peach Mode from Sugar. Nude one, and the other one is from MAC, A88 Relentlessly Red. This one is not a perfect red, but a kind of red, like a pinkish red. So yeah, I am done with my bag. Yes, there is nothing, as you can see. So that's all for the video. If you like this video, please click on like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video. So till then, bye bye, take care.